Troy Kish here at Cool Springs Eye Care, Franklin, Tennessee, and right now we're going to discuss how to frame yourself in eyeglass frames. There's four basic face shapes. We have round, we have oval, we have square, and then we have a triangle or an upside down triangle. And these are sort of the average face shapes. The most universal would be an oval, and this would be my face shape. And we can wear any shape. Notice this is square. I can take the same shape and put on round. And I can also put on oval. And I can also wear small square. So all of these will fit my face shape. Now go back to the square face shape, and of course we don't want to use anything on the square shape that's too square. We want to basically find a shape that's a little less than square, maybe a little rounded, and that's good for a really square face. The other thing is the round face. We want to stay away from round frames. This will accentuate the cheeks and make it look more round. By going an oval will work on a round face, and so will square. However, when it comes to styling, there's a couple of different looks right now. The first one, of course, a lot of people like is what we call minimalistic. This is a frame that shows very little. I know that we like, my generation loves this frame because it doesn't show as much. However, for some of us it makes us look older. Others it makes us look more business professional. So this would definitely be a choice for yourself or someone who looks at you all the time. The other type is bold, which is like this. This is like a plastic. And this tends to bring out all the dark features and is a little more modern and trendy right now. And of course, I wear a little bit of both, but this is pretty much how to get started on framing yourself for eyeglasses.